Do you like my costume?
Wow, yes, you look like Tanjiro.
Thank you. And you look like Nezuko.
I made the ribbon by hand.
It looks perfect.
Are you nervous?
A little, people will look at us.
It's fine. We are anime fans.
True. Let's take the bus to the cinema.
Okay, I have the tickets on my phone.
Great, we don't need to wait.
This will be so fun.
Yes. Demon Slayer Infinity Castle. Look, many people are here.
Yes, the cinema is busy.
Some people are also in cosplay.
That makes me happy.
Let's take a photo by the poster.
Okay, stand close.
Smile. 1, 2, 3.
Perfect. You look cool.
And you look cute.
Let's go inside.
Where's the snack counter?
Over there. Do you want popcorn?
Yes. Large popcorn and 2 drinks.
Okay, I will order.
Wow, the screen is huge.
Yes, so many people inside.
Let's find our seats. Row F, right?
Yes, here. Sit down.
This chair is soft.
I am excited.
The lights are going down.
The movie is starting.
Look, Muzan.
Wow, the animation is amazing.
The music is so strong.
Yes, my heart is fast.
This is the best anime movie.
I agree.
That was amazing.
Yes, I loved it.
The fight scenes were so cool.
And Nezuko was beautiful.
You look like her too.
Haha, thank you.
I am glad we came in cosplay.
Me too. It made the day special.
Let's take one last photo outside.
Okay. Under the cinema lights.
Say Demon Slayer.
Demon Slayer.
Perfect memory.
Yes, best day ever.